For years, the e-commerce titan Amazon has reigned supreme in global e-commerce. Amazon has shaped the way we shop, altered the retail landscape, and redefined convenience. But what if I told you that the mighty empire is showing signs of vulnerability? What if there's a shift happening, challenging the very foundation of e-commerce giants? Hi, I'm Jan, and today we're digging into why big players like Amazon might be losing their grip and how smaller niche marketplaces are becoming the new cool kids on the block. Let's dive in. So, what's a niche marketplace? A niche marketplace is like a small specialty shop in a city. Instead of big store with everything, it's like a unique store that specializes in one type of product. For instance, picture a cozy shop selling only handmade jewelry, or another that's all about music gear. These stores focus on specific interests, providing a more personalized shopping experience compared to large, general stores in a mall. According to Forbes, online sales will reach $6.3 trillion by the end of this year. Even though big online marketplaces are slowing down, there's a new trend with smaller niche players. We found this shift by studying the top 10 global marketplaces, looking at data, competition, and trends to understand what's working for the big players and where they might be lacking. In the last few years, big online marketplaces like Amazon kept growing steadily, but lately they faced a bit of a problem. The total value of these marketplaces, so-called market cap, went down, suggesting things are slowing down. Even though they made more money from selling things, when you look closely, they actually earned less after considering all the expenses. Why did this happen? Well, the world is changing and so are our shopping habits. Prices are going up, people feel less excited about buying things, more folks are going to physical stores, and many are saving money. But experts think there's still space for online shopping to get bigger. Now the trend is shifting towards more personal shopping, and yep, you guessed it, those special niche marketplaces. In 2023, big names like Amazon, eBay, and Etsy are having money problems. But here's the cool part, it could be a fantastic opportunity for startups. Why? Well, narrow niches are becoming increasingly popular. Niche marketplaces offer a personal touch that people really want these days. To show you what I mean about personal touch, let's take a look at an Amazon listing compared to a listing on Reverb.com, a niche marketplace for musical instruments and gear. Here's an orange guitar cabinet sold on both Amazon and Reverb. Amazon has a standard listing that is overloaded with unnecessary information and lacks a decent product description to familiarize the buyer with the product. Also, you can't contact the seller from the product page to ask about this cabinet. At least I didn't find this feature right away. If you go to buyer reviews, you'll find a lot of reviews written by random people who are not really experts or enthusiasts in guitar gear, and often these reviews can mislead you. Now compare that to the Reverb listing. It's much more personal and customer-focused. And there are features you won't find on Amazon. You have a super useful description here, like the seller wrote it from their own experience. You have the Reverb protection program, which guarantees you a refund if your gear is lost, damaged, or doesn't match the description. All the reviews here are written by real enthusiasts and like-minded people who know what they're writing about, because Reverb is not just a marketplace, it's a vibrant community of musicians. On Reverb, you'll find musician-focused e-commerce tools for both buyers and sellers. And of course, a music-savvy customer service team that will never be available on Amazon. In 2019, Etsy acquired Reverb, and since then, Reverb has seen its GMV and net income grow. In 2022, Reverb generated almost $1 billion. Reverb's organic traffic is also growing, attracting more musicians and music gear sellers to the platform. Industry experts are excited about the future of niche marketplaces. Forbes says special marketplaces allow businesses to stand out from the giants and offer a personal touch. Neil Patel, a famous digital marketing expert, says niche marketplaces have less competition, giving smaller businesses a chance to do well. So what does this all mean for entrepreneurs? With big online marketplaces facing challenges, this is your golden opportunity to step into the spotlight with your own niche marketplace. Small businesses, this is your time to shine by offering a more personal and adaptable shopping experience. If you're curious to dive deeper into the world of online marketplaces and explore the analysis we've covered, make sure to grab your free copy of the World's Top 10 Marketplaces report by CSCart. The link is in the description. And if you're about to start your own niche marketplace, take a look at CSCart Multi-Vendor, our marketplace software designed specifically for these kinds of marketplaces. A free demo link is down there. See you!